Which tree is used to make paper? Option D, bamboo is the correct answer. Which is the coldest location in the earth? Option D, East Antarctica is the correct answer. Olympics games are held after every? Option C, 4 years is the correct answer. Which gas is also known as laughing gas? Option D, nitrous oxide is the correct answer. Which is the largest country in the world? Option A, Russia is the correct answer. Who was the first USA president to visit India? Option A, D.D. Eisenhower is the correct answer. Who gave the slogan "Do or Die"? Option B, Mahatma Gandhi is the correct answer. Which of the following book is written by Indira Gandhi? Option B, My Truth is the correct answer. India comes under which continent? Option C, Asia is the correct answer. Which country first introduced the bullet train? Option A, Japan is the correct answer. Who built the Taj Mahal in Agra? Option D, Shah Jahan is the correct answer. Which is the largest temple in India? Option C, Srirangam Temple is the correct answer. Which is the country with the most people? Option C, China is the correct answer. Which state in India has the highest population? Option C, Uttar Pradesh, is the correct answer. Which is the largest democracy in the world? Option D, India is the correct answer. Where is the Red Fort located? Option D, Delhi is the correct answer. Which place is called the Pink City of India? Option B, Jaipur, is the correct answer. Which African nation is famous for chocolate? Option B, Ghana is the correct answer. Which planet is known as the red planet? The correct answer is option C, Mars. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? The correct answer is option A, pound. What is the capital city of Germany? The correct answer is option C, Berlin.